Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gemmy replacement parts is probably one of the most crucial aspects of maintaining your festive decorations and inflatables. Gemmy Industries is renowned for its extensive range of seasonal products, and inevitably, these items may require repairs or replacements over time. Whether it's a damaged motor, a torn fabric, or a faulty light, having access to reliable replacement parts is essential for keeping your holiday spirit alive. Number 5. Gemmy JDH1232S Inflatable Replacement Fan Blower. This is the Gemmy JDH1232S Replacement Fan Blower. It's designed to replace the fan in your inflatable decorations. Make sure this is the correct model for your needs. The fan includes a 1.5A blower and comes with 3 super bright LED lights. It also has a 12V 1.5A adapter. This will keep your inflatable lit up and running. The light string is approximately 6 feet long. It features 3 super bright LED lights to illuminate your inflatable. This will make it stand out. This replacement fan is compatible with LX-DC brushless fan DC 12V 1.2A model NO12038. Please check your inflatable motor to ensure this is the correct one. This will ensure a proper fit. Before purchasing, verify that this is the correct motor for your inflatable. Comparing it to the original will help you ensure a perfect match. This will save you time and effort. What we like. This fan boasts super bright LED lights, ensuring your inflatable is well lit. It also comes with a 1.5A adapter for optimal performance. If you're looking to maximize the visibility and impact of your inflatable, especially at night, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This one started right up with no problems when I plugged it back in after it rained. Even when the inflatable was still wet, it fully inflated the decoration. The lights are very bright too. Fan is plenty strong for this inflatable Santa on the sleigh with 2 reindeer. Found this replacement, and it was perfect. Up and gnoming again. Number 4. Gemmy AH3 Inflatable Replacement Fan Air Blower. Tired of your inflatable decorations deflating? This replacement fan is the perfect solution. It will keep your inflatable standing tall and proud. This fan provides a strong and consistent airflow. It ensures your inflatable stays inflated throughout the season. The fan includes a light string connector. It allows you to easily illuminate your inflatable for nighttime display. Designed for 60 Hz power systems, this fan operates efficiently. It provides reliable performance for your inflatable decorations. With a 1A power draw, this fan is energy efficient. It won't significantly increase your electricity bill while keeping your inflatable inflated. What we like. This fan features a single light string connector, simplifying your setup. It operates at 60 Hz, ensuring consistent performance. If you have a simple inflatable setup and value ease of use, this fan is an excellent option for your needs. What people say. A nice, quiet and powerful fan that we are using to inflate a 25-foot tall snowman. The original fan was a bit larger, but this one inflates the huge snowman no problem. This Gemmy inflatable replacement fan air blower with light string connector worked perfectly, and we were back in business setting up one of my children's favorite inflatable decorations. This fan worked amazing, better than the original honestly. Number 3. Gemmy Replacement Fan Blower with Adapter. This is a replacement fan blower for Gemmy Airblown inflatables. It comes with a 1.0A adapter, ensuring it works perfectly. It's designed to keep your inflatable up and running. The fan blower operates at 1.0 amps, providing efficient inflation. This ensures the inflatable remains fully inflated. It's a reliable solution for your inflatable needs. The included 1.0A adapter makes setup simple. You just plug it in and it's ready to go. This adapter is specifically designed for this fan blower. It also features a super bright LED light. This enhances the visibility of your inflatable. It adds a nice touch, especially at night. With this replacement, you can keep your inflatable alive. It is a perfect replacement for your broken fan. Get yours today and enjoy your inflatable. What we like. This replacement fan includes a 1.0A adapter and a single super bright LED. It's designed for efficient operation and effective lighting. If you have a smaller inflatable and want a reliable, energy-efficient solution, consider this one. What people say. Worked great to replace a burnt-out blower on one of our Halloween decorations. The product works as advertised. Number 2. Gemmy Airblown Inflatable Fan Blower with Adapter. This is a replacement fan blower for your Gemmy Airblown Inflatable. It comes with a 1.0A adapter, making it easy to set up and use. Make sure to check your inflatable specifications before ordering to ensure compatibility. The fan blower operates at 1.0 amps, providing efficient airflow for your inflatable. It's designed to keep your inflatable inflated and looking great. This will be a great replacement for your old one. The product also includes an approximate 7-foot LED light string. This will help illuminate your inflatable, especially during the evening. It's a great addition to enhance the visual appeal. Before you order, please double-check the specifications of your inflatable. This is to ensure that this fan blower is the correct replacement for your needs. This will save you time and effort. The model number for this fan blower is JDH9733S. This will help you to identify the exact product you need. This is an important detail for accurate ordering. What we like. This fan includes a 7-foot LED light string for enhanced illumination. It also comes with a 1.0A adapter. If you want a longer light string to create a more eye-catching display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This air inflator light thing worked out perfectly. The inflatable works as intended and I recommend this fan blower to restore your inflatables. No special tools or skill needed. Seriously easy to install, and the DC power adapter design is better than the original. The replacement LEDs are cooler and brighter than the originals, which makes Snoopy look much better at night. Number 1. Gemmy JDH1232S Replacement Fan Blower with Adapter. This is a replacement fan blower designed for Gemmy Airblown inflatables. It comes with a 1.5A adapter, making it easy to set up. It's a great way to keep your inflatable running smoothly. The fan blower operates at 1.5 amps, providing sufficient power. It is an essential component for maintaining the shape of your inflatable decorations. Make sure it matches your inflatable specifications. The package includes a 1.5A adapter, ensuring it's ready to use. This adapter provides the necessary power for the fan. This makes the setup process simple and convenient. It also comes with an approximate 6-foot LED light string. This will help illuminate your inflatable. This will make your inflatable more visible at night. Before ordering, please verify the specifications. Ensure that it is compatible with your inflatable model. This will guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. What we like. This fan features a 1.5A adapter for robust inflation and a 6-foot LED light string. It provides a balance of power and visibility. If you need a reliable fan with good lighting for your inflatable, you should consider it. What people say. Exact replacement for part number, works great. The blower fit perfectly and went in with little effort. Easy installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.